Imagine burning 1,000 cigarettes in your home. Shocking, right? But here's the kicker. Cooking fumes pump out even more particulates than cigarettes. We're talking particle overload. Grilling, frying, stir-frying. These create a cocktail of ultra-fine particles and carcinogens. It's like a science experiment gone wrong in your kitchen. So dangerous, in fact, that the International Agency for Research on Cancer classifies it as carcinogenic. That's science speak for really bad news. Now, you're thinking, but I bought an air purifier for this. Well, most air purifier manuals have a plot twist. Please don't use while cooking. Talk about a culinary cliffhanger. The problem is in the filters. Current filter technology can't handle cooking heat and oil. So, air purifiers work least when you need them most, while cooking. We're flipping the script on air purification. Meet Khanpure Home, the world's first home oil fume cleaner. It's like a superhero for your kitchen. Remember those sooty diesel cars? DPF ceramic filters clean them up. Now, we're bringing that tech to your home. Khanpure Home uses these special ceramic filters. They work great in hot, steamy, and oily kitchen conditions. It's perfect for cooking environments. It doesn't just catch dust, it nabs VOCs, bacteria, and fungi too. It's a microscopic bounty hunter. Our ceramic filter is designed for long-term use in harsh kitchen environments. Its innovative self-cleaning function refreshes the filter, restoring its performance even after exposure to oil and steam. This technology also eliminates 100% of bacteria and fungi, ensuring consistent effectiveness over time. The self-cleaning function minimizes filter replacements, saving you money on replacement costs. It also reduces waste generation, helping to protect the environment. Talk about hitting two birds with one stone. Wherever you are, whatever you're doing, when you really need an air purifier, Khanpure Home is there. For air so clean, you can almost taste it. Khanpure Home. Breathe easy, live healthy.